Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen short wheelbase transporter panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This particular van is a used 70 plate. It's also an approved van that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a quick walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. You'll also notice two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that this van is fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up, you will notice power folding heated mirrors. This is ideal for leaving a van on a busy road and also for cold winter months. Also to this side of the van, you will notice a sliding door. The load area is fitted with a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. If I move the camera around, you will notice that this van has been fully wood ply-lined, including the floor. At the back of the transporter, you will notice that it's fitted with a tailgate without window. Moving across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. You'll also notice that this van has standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice a transporter badge and the VW emblem on the tailgate. Looking inside the load area again, you will notice that the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted, including the floor. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. And lastly, here we have the inner tailgate. This van is painted in pure grey, which is a solid paint. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead again. It's also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. You'll also notice the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. This now finishes my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show the controls inside the interior cab and also the centre media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Down here, you will notice auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, you'll notice multimedia functions. To this side, you'll notice cruise control. This particular van has covered 17,030 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can see the settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio section, I'd like to show you that you can change the radio stations using the switches. Now at the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. You'll also notice an SD card reader, which is here. You'll also notice 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your smartphone. My specific favourites at the moment is Waze and my downloaded music app on my phone. I'm now going to pop the van into reverse to show you that this van has a parking aid for the front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front screen for cold winter mornings. You'll also notice it's fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter panel van. It's a short wheelbase, it's a Highline model, It's fitted with a 110 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 70 plate Transporter, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video walk around the van. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.